we had framed two issues on 28 January 2025. Thereafter, we have recast the two issues. First issue was whether the state can insist that a teacher seeking appointment, if so, application would affect any of the rights of the minority institutions guaranteed under the Constitution. The other question was whether teachers appointed much prior to issuance of notification of the NCT dated 29 July 2011, met with the newly inserted proviso, that is the second proviso in 73(2), and having years of teaching experience are required to qualify in the TET for being considered eligible for promotion. Now, while considering these two questions in course of hearing, Pramati was cited before us. One group said Pramati does not require reconsideration. Other group said Pramati requires reconsideration. So we were also required to look into that point too. Now, we have on the section analysis and reasons divided our judgment into various parts, and ultimately what we have held is this. In view of the foregoing discussions, we respectfully express our doubt as to whether Pramati, insofar as it exempts the application of the RTE Act to minority schools, whether aided or unaided, falling under Clause 1, has been correctly decided. We say that we could have followed the 7-judge bench decision in Aligarh Muslim University and referred the issue directly to a 7-judge bench. But we have restrained ourselves from doing that. Instead, we have followed an old decision of 1965, Lala Bhagwan versus Ramchand, where Justice Gajendra Gadkar, speaking for the bench, said that in such situations, it is better that the bench of lesser strength refers the issues to the Honorable the Chief Justice to take a call. Accordingly, we have referred 4 questions to the Honorable the Chief Justice. 1, whether Pramati requires reconsideration. 2, whether RT Act infringes the rights of minorities. And assuming that Section 12(1)(c) of the RTE Act suffers from the vice of encroaching upon minority rights protected by Article 30, whether 12(1)(c) should have been read down to include children of the particular minority community who also belong to weaker section and disadvantaged group, to save 12(1)(c) from being declared ultra-vires. The third question is on the effect of non-consideration of Article 29(2) in Pramati. And finally, whether in the absence of any discussion in Pramati,